Hi. Okay, so I wanted to try filming a live kind of process video for you. I need to make a thank you card, and I thought I would just kind of record how I do it. This one I just want to be fairly simple but nice. And I thought, seeing I just got these, the Delightfully Detailed Memories and More card pack, that I would use this to make my card. So these are great because you can use them for memory keeping and card making. And then they also come with coordinating note cards in 2 sizes. So I'm just going to open my pack of note cards up here as well. Use that. So it makes for really quick and should be quick and easy cards. I tend to make things a little more complicated than they need to be, but we'll see how this goes. Okay, so again, yeah, this pack comes with envelopes, and then your note cards as well. Sorry, this one is single. Yeah, these ones are single size, so these are all the big note cards, which is fine because that's what I want. Okay, so I'll set my envelopes aside. So again, you can see there's different styles. These all have like watercolor into, this is Blackberry Bliss and Mint Macaron, I think is the colors on these. I will double check that. And then these are the cards. So again, the cards come in 2 different sizes. And then you also have some really nice kind of extra sheets like this, and then you also have your embellishment and sticker sheets. And then also, where are my embellishments? You can also get coordinating embellishments, so the faceted dots here are also designed to match up. So I'm going to use those on my card as well. Okay, so I know I want to do a thank you card. So it actually has thanks. If I want to use that, I can. I'm debating about whether I'm going to use that or not. I have this stamp set here that I thought I would use, the Calligraphy Essentials stamp set. I really like this script here. That was kind of what I was planning on using, but we'll see how this goes. All right, so first I want to figure out my background. So, well, there's some other nice die cut pieces as well, I think. Hold on. I don't quite go that way, but I can always cut it. All right, there's an idea. Okay. So I'm just going to flip through here quickly and take a look and decide kind of what, not happy birthday, they're double-sided. So you could always actually even put one of these like on the inside of the card. Let's just see what I might want to add to my card. Put your phone down. Alright. Things are good. I love watercolor patterns, so I'm kind of prone to that. We'll see. And then where are... I've got my little ones here. I don't think I'm going to do black for this card. Let's celebrate today. Make me smile. Okay. I like this. Not sure I want to use it for my thank you card, but I really like that. Alright, so I think let's repeat that one. Okay. And background pieces. You can see all the different patterns that you have to choose. So I'm just going to pick a couple here that I think I like. I want something with the mint in it as well. Just go with the mint card. Alright. So I'm going to see what I can do with these. What? Okay. Look, line cards for journaling. How is that. Okay. I do have a bit of a cold, so if I sound stuffy, it's because I am. Alrighty. So, I'm gonna grab some punches. You don't need punches, but I might actually use some there. Okay, I think what I'm gonna do is actually just take my snips and cut this one in half. Slide it under here. And what do I have here? Okay, so I have some other nice kind of details. I really like this. Now, what am I? Okay. Okay. Here's another like thank you thing too on here. Maybe I will just layer everything and see how I feel about that. I'm gonna go with that. Okay. So I think what I'm gonna do then is use one of these large labels. And here. So I could have done it that way, but I think I'll stick with doing it this way. We'll see how I feel about this when it's done. Okay. And then can we layer this? How am I going to feel about layering this? Let's look and see. All right. Okay, I'm going to layer this one here. Oh, you can you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so that's what I've done so far. Huh. So I used a large label here, because apparently this wasn't on camera. There. And then I used the green one here. So, sorry, this one. You get two. So I use this one, and then I use this one. Okay. And now, what I think I will do is I'm going to add the thanks. I'm not going to use my stamp set. Whoops. Add that T on after. Just stick it there for a second. Okay. Peel this off. So I'm going to use this thanks. I just took the T off. I will attach it back in a second. These are in 3 pieces, so what I'm going to do is center kind of where I want this on here. Okay. Add my T. Add KIS. It's going to be a little bit off center, but you know what? Hold on. That's okay because this. Voila. Okay. Okay, so this is what I have so far. And again, so I haven't actually had to stamp anything. And then I'm going to do, say it twice. Maybe even, do I have another one? I could maybe even say it 3 times. Add this one on here too. Like that. Okay, and then kind of want to do another layer of I'm going to center this on here so it overlaps with the orange, the Calypso Grapefruit Grove. That's what color that is. All right, underneath. Okay, so then I'm going to use my snail, which is hiding on me. Okay. You know what? I think I need a refill. Hold on. My snail's hiding, but I got lots of fast fuse, so we'll use that instead for now. Alright, so I'm going to stick this underneath on the back. Can you see that? Alright. Just going to line this up so this is kind of centered with that. It overlaps. Oops, you know what? I need to make sure it's not going to stick off my card. So let's do it this way. Line this up here. See that? Sorry, let me push this back in. Alright. Okay, kind of want it. Okay, there we go. So that's done there. And then, I want to add something behind it a little bit, just to ground it a little. So let's play around with this other black one that I liked. So I have a couple options. I could just offset it like that. Okay, or what I'm thinking I might want to do is to cut it in half and have it stick out on either side on the back. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Where's my trimmer? I'm just going to use my trimmer. Okay, so I just cut this in half one way, and that's what I think I want to do. Is like, okay, so I can either do it like this, and have it do like that, just do the one side, or what I might do is actually cut it in half again, 2 inches. Okay, and do the other side. Okay, so can you see that? And then just have this peeking out on the back, like that. Okay. That's what I want to do. And just maybe even less than that. Just kind of sticking out. Okay. And there's that. Is there anything else I want to add to it? Oh, I think that's good. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and stick these on here. I'm going to use my fast fuse because my snail is hiding somewhere. Okay. I just want them to kind of peek out. I don't want a lot showing. Just center them. One side, let's do the other side. Okay. All right, and there we go. Okay, now I'm gonna just attach that to my card. Again, here, sorry, you can see I'm just using the fast fuse. Okay, and now I'm gonna attach this to my card. Okay. There we go. I'm going to fold it in half. Voila. Okay, so thank you card. And then where are my embellishments? Let's stick some of my embellishments on here. Where did they go? Where did I put them? Things like to hide on me today. Did I put them back in the case? Did you guys see where I put them? Oh, here they are. They're upside down. All right. So I'm just going to add some of these to the front of my card. Could have also added some ribbon, which I might do that after. Add a little bow. So let's see. Some macaron on here. And do a black one. And grapefruit grove. I don't know, maybe I'll do 3 more in the other corner. Let's switch up the colors. Oops. This one. I'll do another black one. There we go. And then if I wanted to, which I think I do, I'm going to add a little bow right there. So I'm going to use some Whisper white sheer ribbon right here. And add a little bow on the front of my card. I am not a bow tying expert. Okay, hold on. So I may end up redoing this a couple times, but I just want a little one. I didn't need to cut off quite that much ribbon, but that's okay. And just to stick it on the bottom there. Okay, and then I'll just cut off the end. Even this out a little bit. Just stick it there. What do we think? Let's close the card. Okay. A little bit of white. I can even stick it up higher. Like it higher or lower? I like it lower, but I think higher might work better for putting the card in the envelope. Maybe we'll stick it right on top there. That's kind of in between. That works. Alright, so let me grab a glue dot, stick my bow on. There we go. Okay. Glue dot. I'll just bunch it up a little bit. And what do we say? We're sticking it right on top of here. Okay. Alright. There we go. Alright, so that's done. There's my card. I'm going to toss that in an envelope. Well, write in it and then toss it in an envelope. And that is done. So again, we use the Delightfully Detailed Memories and More card pack. And then the coordinating faceted dots. And the coordinating note cards and envelopes as well. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. Bye.